Hey guys, how you doing? Dave here. Welcome back to Cook and Share. Always been a fan of grilling, always been a fan of shish kebabs, so I decided to make up these Greek kebabs, spiced to perfection, marinated. You're gonna love them. You're gonna want to make these. So let me walk you through it. So to make the marinade, I'm going to add in half a cup of yogurt. And this is just plain yogurt, but you can use Greek if you want. A quarter cup of olive oil. 2 tablespoons of oregano. A good pinch of salt. And of course my all-time favorite, pepper. And the juice from half a lemon. And of course I've taken the pits out. Grab my spoon and I'm going to mix this up. This smells incredible. Next up, I've got 3 boneless, skinless chicken breasts. So I'm going to cut these probably into 3 pieces. Something like this. And then I'm going to go half again. Add the chicken into the marinade. And I'm going to take my spoon and give this a mix up until everything is nicely coated. Now I'm going to cover this with some plastic wrap and put it in the fridge for about 10 to 15 minutes. Now you could even do this overnight, but I'm in a hurry. So what I have here are my veggies that I've chopped up. I have zucchini, red bell peppers, and red onions. But you can use the veggie of your choice. Okay, after marinating, let's build our kebabs. And I'm going to add 2 pieces of chicken to my metal skewer. And you can use wooden, but you have to soak them first. Second is the onion, followed by the zucchini and the red bell pepper. And of course, we're going to follow this process again with the chicken, same thing. So what you want is something like this. And this is going to give you, I'd say, 5 or 6 kebabs, and they look absolutely stunning. So I put these on the grill, and we're going to let them cook, I'd say 15 minutes or so, until you get some nice grill marks and the chicken is completely done. You can do this in the oven as well. After a few minutes on the grill, there you have it, guys, our super delicious Greek shish kebabs. And who said summer is over? It's not. Okay, so let's go ahead and give this a taste test. This is so good, guys. Love the sauce, the veggie, the chicken is tender. You gotta make these. Good. For this recipe, head on over to cookandshare.com. You're going to love all the stuff there. Thanks for watching, thanks for subbing, and see you next time.